Want a garden that actually thrives this spring? Then stop waiting for spring to start? I know it sounds crazy, but the best gardens, the ones with the healthiest plants and biggest harvests, are prepared months earlier during the quiet of winter. Most people think their garden is asleep right now, but that's a huge mistake. If you want to get ahead of the game, your work starts now. So what's happening out there in the cold? Even when everything looks dormant, your soil is alive. As long as the ground isn't frozen solid, microbes are busy breaking down organic matter. The choices you make in winter set the stage for explosive spring growth. Why is this the best time? Because your plants aren't in the way. You have a clean slate to improve your soil without competing for space or nutrients. The single most important thing you can do this winter is add organic matter. Think compost, shredded leaves, aged manure. Spread it over your garden beds now, and it will have months to decompose. This process is like a slow-release vitamin for your garden, improving soil structure, boosting nutrient availability, and helping it hold on to moisture when the weather gets hot and dry. Remember, you're not just feeding the plants, you're feeding the soil, and healthy soil is what grows healthy plants. Winter prep is also your secret weapon against future problems. Applying a thick layer of mulch right now smothers weed seeds before they even think about sprouting in the spring. Cleaning up last year's dead plants and fallen leaves gets rid of a ton of overwintering pests and diseases. Imagine a spring with fewer weeds to pull and fewer bugs to fight. That's what winter prep gives you: less work and more success later on. This is also the perfect time for planning. Sketch out your garden layout. Where will the tomatoes go this year? The beans? Rotating your crops is crucial for preventing soil depletion and keeping pests guessing. Go through your seed collection now. See what you have and what you need. This avoids that last-minute panic buying of whatever's left at the garden center. You can also figure out the right time to start seeds indoors, giving your plants a powerful head start. A little planning now saves a ton of time, money, and frustration later. So remember, a successful spring garden isn't about luck. It's about preparation. What you do in the cold, quiet months of winter will determine how strong and productive your garden will be all year long. If this helped you see your garden in a new light, subscribe to CVC Gardens. We give you real gardening facts, practical tips, and advice that actually works. Your best garden ever starts long before the first thaw. Thanks for watching.